Oh, God, what am I doing with my life? I'm getting a little daring now. There's my baby birdies. All right, how daring do I want to get? Hey, what's the worst that happens? They snap at me? All right, let's do it. It's okay. It's okay, baby birdies. It's okay. Hi. Hi, guys. I know. Oh, I came out to say hi so you guys would get used to me. Babies. Okay. I know. My hands say cats meow, and I'll keep the cats inside. But I came out to pet my baby birdies. And they did. Okay. You guys be safe. I'll see you later. I'm sure Mama's around here somewhere. She's gonna come back with some wormies for you. Plus, I got wormies for you too. Okay? Be safe, babies.